How to check your car engine oil. The engine is the heart of the vehicle, and engine oil helps to extend engine life and maintain performance. So, proper oil maintenance is a must. If the engine oil level is off or the oil is contaminated, it can lead to engine failures, performance degradation, or worse, engine fires. Unusual engine shakes and decreased fuel efficiency are signs you should check your engine oil immediately. To start, prepare gloves, wipes, a funnel for topping up engine oil when it's low, a wrench and socket set for draining excess oil, a drain pan for oil disposal, and finally, a car jack and jack stands. First, start the car to warm up the engine and park the car on a flat surface. Open the hood and secure it in place. Turn off the engine and wait 10 minutes before starting the inspection. Locate the dipstick under the hood. Note that the location may vary depending on car models. Then, with gloves on, wipe the dipstick, ensuring debris or contaminants aren't introduced in the engine. Once cleaned, reinsert the dipstick back in its place and then take it out again. Take your time with this step, as oil may splatter. If engine oil is present between the two indicators, the oil level is normal. If it's below the L or low indicator, more engine oil is needed. If it's above the F or full indicator, it's time to drain the engine oil. Having too much or not enough engine oil can lead to engine cooling and lubrication issues. If more engine oil is needed, open the oil tank cap, then use a funnel to top up. If oil drainage is needed, use a car jack or a lift to raise the car, loosen the bolt under the oil tank, and drain the excessive oil. The color of the engine oil can help you determine when it's time for a change. Typically, engine oil going from brown to black is a sign you need to change your engine oil. For diesel vehicles, however, color alone doesn't determine when engine oil needs changing. Now that you've changed your engine oil, wipe the dipstick clean and place it back in its place. Oh, don't forget to close the hood, and you're done. It's good practice to check your oil regularly to keep your car engine protected from wear and performing at its best. Every 2 weeks, before long drives, or whenever you see a drop in fuel efficiency, check your engine oil. Kixx.